Now for this kind of sum, we are supposed to multiply and divide this integration by sine a minus b. Because it is a constant, we are going to multiply it by sine a minus b and divide by sine x minus a to neutral our equation right here. uh, Sine a minus b. Right, now I am adding x here and subtracting simultaneously to neutralize our equation like this. Don't forget to write here dx. With respect to dx we are integrating, right? Now in the very next step I'm going to isolate it. How I'm going to isolate it? In form of these cos x minus a and cos x minus b. We are supposed to isolate likewise. Now a minus x is there, right? So a minus x and plus in very next x minus b is there, right? Now we are going to write it as it is. Now what happens here? We know the formula of sine a plus b. What is the formula for sine a plus b? Is sine a, but what is the requirement? X minus e a is the requirement, right? So what can I do is, here I can write x minus b minus x minus a. Is there any problem if I write it as like this? No, because it will neutral whole solution and we will direct it to our original one. Now I am writing it as like this. Like this means only as it is. And now what I am going to do is 1 upon sine a minus b, which is a constant term. A minus b is constant, so whole term is constant. So I can eliminate this term. Now what is the formula of sine a minus b? The formula for sine a minus b is sine a cos b minus sine b and cos a. Now the denominator terms will be as it is only. Now I'm going to separate the denominator. Likewise I can separate our denominators. It's quite lengthy and tricky one also. Focus here. Write the terms like this. A single mistake can lead to decrease your marks. Not decrease it, decays your marks. Do the simple things only. Now cos x minus b and cos x minus a. So this term will cancel out here and here this term will be cancelled out. So what remains here is sin x minus b minus sin x minus a and upon cos x minus b upon what is this? Sine upon cos. So we can write it as tan x minus b minus tan x minus a, right? So it is a direct formula for integration, which is integration of tan x is minus log cos x, or direct log sec x only. But here there is need of substitution. Actually we are supposed to substitute t as x minus a. I'm skipping that step and directly I can written it as 1 upon sine a minus b, and instead of this I can write it as log cos x minus a upon this thing will be in mod only, cos x minus b, right? So this is also your final answer. This is the only your final answer, right?